Today's our check-in day for Kiko Buck Test. It is one of the largest Kiko buck tests in the country. Last year we brought in about 209 goats from 19 different states. We'll average probably about the same again this year. So today we bring them all in and we weigh them. If they make weight, they go through, they get an ear tag, and then from there they will be fecal sampled, and then from there they'll get a dewormer, and then we load them up on the trailer and take them over to Union, to Willow Bend, and they're on a pasture. They're not a feedlot test, it's a pasture test.
I think a lot of producers choose our test because it's pasture-based and also just because of the data reliability. There's been a lot of producers that have gone through the testing program, that have utilized bucks coming out of that testing program in their production systems and have found value in it. They also use it as a marketing advantage to use the rankings that come from the test and marketing their goats.
So while majority of our red meat producers are beef oriented, goat is a large portion of the market worldwide, as well as picking up percentages here in the U.S. Hopefully, as this continues to take off, this particular breed of goat becomes more and more popular. It'll have a greater impact as we go in future years.
So we are the largest goat test in the United States, at least for the past couple years. We get partnership with Extension, we have partnership with the Willow Bend Agriculture Innovation Center and the Davis College. So my role in this is kind of in both the Extension and the Davis College realm. We have research that goes on with the goats where we just evaluate how those goats are performing. Extension plays a role in assisting with help and data collection and really getting the word out to producers.
Be able to improve genetics at the producer level through this test is then going to make sure that you're going to have the best of the best.
Here in Extension, we're the outreach, we're the boots on the ground, and being able to work with the Davis College and Dr. Bowdridge really gives us an opportunity to still have that connection to the university, to be able to put applicable data into the system and be able to share that with our producers. So without that partnership, we wouldn't be able to have the outreach that we do with it.
Graduate students that I have in this role get a lot of hands-on experience. They get the opportunity to interact with animals on a more of a production level as opposed to just in the laboratory. And I think that's a nice component of that. They also get to interact with producers, so it covers both of those fields simultaneously.
It's very rewarding to see how all my hard work helps these producers in the future.